The picture in the top left-hand corner shows a result of violence, which is broken hearts. The picture next to it is the word violence crossed out, portraying Nia's disapproval of violence. Next to that, it says it's not okay. I wanted to show that violence is not okay. In the second row, the first picture shows wounded computer keyboard keys and says, "You only have to hit us once." This is Nia's message to the terrorists, for them to stop the violence. I also included both a picture of a child crying and a picture of a child smiling, to show the contrast in emotions of people in a world of violence and people in a world of peace. The hands creating the peace sign, the little paper people holding hands, and the snowball shaped into a heart all depict alternatives to violent solutions. In addition, I included a picture of Word Girl because Word Girl rescued people with the power of words, and instead of violence, we should all believe in the power of words. Last, I inserted the Twin Towers being attacked because the 9/11 attack was the foundation of Nia's letter and my found poem. Thank you.